This is an extremely attractive race between jet trucks held annually in Spain. This is a contest between the MAZ 500 series truck versus the Kiroes K700 tractor.
Die Kundenzeit sagen uns, dass es eigentlich gar nicht schneller gehen kann hier.
Tak, teď se krásně naklonila.
This is an extreme test for the Tatra 813 8x8 truck, conducted by the German Army. The HETM 1070 truck is being rescued from the muddy road by the rescue team. This is a video recording the terrible power of the GAZ 66 car overcoming all terrain. This extremely powerful tow vehicle uses a Detroit diesel 2 engine pulling a snowmobile. This is a real man for WD track that not every driver is brave enough to go on it. The newly unloaded US military vehicle reveals sharp lines, powerful dynamic design and advanced features. With the strength and dexterity of the driver, the Mitsubishi L200 conquered the extremely steep road that the organizers created. The robot car is used as a Scout, it can automatically move over rough terrain from one point to another without operator intervention. This is an early Soviet off-road vehicle. They used rollers to form wheels to move. At that time, they were manufactured to be sent to wetlands and swamps to transport heavy goods. Shaman 8X8 is one of the powerful and unique military off-road vehicles produced by Arcturus, a company based in Russia. The ZIL 157 is a military truck made in Russia, and it was having trouble while traveling in a snow-covered forest. It must be said that the driver of this truck was brave enough to go through this place and create his own path. The Scania V8 R620 overloaded truck was transporting another truck in the city.
Oh ja.
This is a very famous MAZ 537 military tractor and was widely used in the army of the Soviet Union and other countries of the Soviet bloc. Kirovert's K703, a powerful and reliable tractor, tries its best to pull the stuck cars on the heavy road. Under the heavy pressure of work, the K703 tractor demonstrates its incredible strength. JCB's Fast-Track 3185 tractor is one of the leading multi-purpose tractors on the market. Is a choice for those working in the agricultural industry. Tatra is a legend, the most powerful hill climbing truck in the world.
Sjezd směrem dolů, rychlý,